For this video, headphones or earphones are highly recommended, but also a very bad idea. And then I said to him, I said, Thor Ragnarok, more like Boar Ragnarok. Why is no one watching? Wait a second, I got one viewer? That's not too bad. Hello! Hello, viewer! Oh. It's a bot. Alright, well, it's clearly not my shining personality. It must be another reason. Right, let's see what's popular here. Music? No, that requires talent. Chess? No, I have a fear of horses and bishops. I'm Catholic after all. Asthma? Is that a disease? I don't get it. That is horrible. Maybe it's not for me, but it seems easy enough. Oh god, I've closed the page and she's still going. And wait a second, there are absolutely no males. I found my gap in the market. Ear microphone. Oh look, see, other people are looking for it too. Ah, here we go. Ear microphone. 441 euros. If it'll make people like me, I guess it's worth it. Add to basket. Now we just sit back and wait for the microphone. Oh yeah, I forgot. Ireland has the most efficient postal service in the world, and also we never lose packages. Or just give them to your neighbor. Expensive packages. With no leaflet or anything, just hand them over. You might never see it again. Yeah, that doesn't happen in Ireland.
A few inches later.
The microphone did come, luckily enough, and I even got to practice it on my friends. Hello.
Oh, good. Kevin's in my left ear.
Now I'm over here.
Now he's over there in my right ear.
Why have you got one of those bikes?
Now I'm going to simulate me running around you.
Enjoying it.
Oh, that's so unpleasant.
Thanks for the feedback.
My spine hurts.
I'm gonna nibble on your ear now.
So far, I'd give this microphone an A+. I think it's definitely got me some more points in the group. I feel like people like me a bit more. And I'm excited to give you that same effect of relaxation that I gave my friends. Okay, so right now I'm using this mic, but at any moment,
I can swap over to this one.
how is that peaking? How sensitive is this thing? Wait, can I get a comparison between the two mics? Because I was talking so low there.
I can swap over to this one.
How am I gonna do this? It's a YouTuber's natural instinct, especially gaming YouTubers, to just scream. So this is really foreign to me.
Okay, I think the problem is solved. Now, let me get one of my first of many props. Are you relaxed yet? Ease into a deep sleep. I don't even know what's in here. Some company sent me these. And sometimes I just don't open things. Now let me do what every good creator does. Steal someone else's methods. Does that sound like rain? Or does it sound like pain? Let's see what was actually in here. Sorry, I hope you're still relaxed and that didn't take you out of the zone. But don't worry, I have my ultimate strategy. This is what I call a comfort sandwich. Let me just poke a talking hole. I hope you're comfortable now. In this bread sandwich, you're the meat.
That's good bread. It's Irish bread. I got bread and these metal things everywhere. These could be good, I think. Let me give them a little bit of a...
That was meant to go over. Sorry. Go back to relaxation. That was meant to go over and land in the other hand. Like, Jesus Christ, I'm bad at throwing things. Sorry. Go back into relaxation zone. I got 2 of them. It made like literally no noise. Also, my chair keeps making noises, and it must sound awful. Let me swap chair.
I like how out of all things that I'm doing, and then I'm like, no, the chair is too loud. The chair must go. Alright, now you're going to get relaxed. You know, you probably are already. You're probably feeling pretty damn good right about now.
Oh, there's a lot of bread in your ears. Oh, that doesn't look good at all on the wavelength. Let's just make sure that we get each and every crumb. Do you think that anyone is actually, like, non-ironically enjoying this? Because I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job, all things considered. Sorry, that's the pump. If you can hear that, I don't know if you can hear that picking up the water pump. Let's get that ear cleaned. There we go. Sorry about the pump.
Oh my god, these metal things are freaking everywhere. I don't even know how many I had, but they're just gone everywhere.
Now we're gonna listen to some music to send us into a deep sleep. I just realized I don't have a headphone jack. I'm an idiot. This is what all YouTubers listen to in our spare time. I hope you're relaxed. This isn't a bit. I'm just hoping. I hope you're enjoying this. That's enough of Kevin MacLeod. Now it's time for Kevin MacLeod.
Hey, gotcha! God, anytime I actually speak normally, it feels so good to speak normally, by the way. Anytime I speak normally and the wavelengths just go and just fill up the whole screen. Okay, it's VR time, everyone. Get ready. I'm gonna play some video games. Oh, for feck's sake. Sorry, I know you're just trying to relax here, and this microphone is not cooperating. There we go. Oh, for feck's sake. Why do I bother? Don't ask what the tape is for. That comes into play later. Now listen to your feckin' VR, okay? It's not that hard. There are children in third world countries that would love to play some VR. And you're here kicking up a fuss. Okay, here we go. I won't actually be able to hear the game, but at least you will. You'll get to experience VR. Alex, Addis, can you say something relaxing, please?
Relaxing?
Can you say Merry Christmas, everyone, and to all a good year?
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Okay, thank you if you did say that. If you didn't, I'm gonna find out later and I'm gonna be really angry. Ow, I hit my hand. Ah! Alex! Alex, ow!
Banana.
I was eating a banana earlier,
30
Alex.
seconds.
I was eating a banana on camera and microphone for my friends. Alright, good try, Alex. Good game.
Thank you.
Not to worry, because we have plenty of relaxing sounds. keep us going in the meantime. I call it Drowning Simulator. Actually, I think I'm renaming it to I Need a Towel. I'll be right back. There's bread and water everywhere. But don't worry, I have something that'll relieve my stress while also relaxing you. I call it scream venting. There we go, wasn't that relaxing? Now I'm just cleaning out all those bad thoughts. Pineapple on pizza. Yeah, get that right out of there. Time for a story. What's this? Horses approaching your village. They probably bring wine and reruns of Friends on box set. What a joyous day for the village. Those aren't traitors. These are raiders. Oh no. What's that screaming? Run! Oh no. They're going to kill you and your family, and your entire village will be burnt down. What are you going to do? Are you relaxed yet? Can you hear the screaming? The screaming of your neighbors being slaughtered. Let's just erase those memories like they never happened, huh? Wow. That seems relaxing. Now let's replace all those negative thoughts with some lovely music. A dramatic reading of lovely music. Hey, how you doing, little mama? Let me whisper in your ear, tell you something that you might like to hear. You gotta... Oh my god, that's so vulgar. I can't say that. But don't worry, I've got an amazing finale lined up that we can do together. But before we do that, I think I'll quickly run to the bathroom. And you know what? I'll bring you with me. Let's go. That sure was relaxing. But now, we're gonna tape you to my head, and you can hear exactly what I hear.
Now the question is, do I tape it to the front or the back of my head? I guess the back makes the more sense, but I don't think either of them actually make sense really. This is such a cool experiment. Like this should be like Vsauce or something. Oh wait, I'm missing out on ASMR opportunities here. Listen. Okay, so far, so good, I think. Alright. Okay. I think it's on. Let's just listen to my thoughts.
Attack a village and disguise yourself as a traitor. Kill them all. Watch them burn.
No, don't listen to that one. Listen to the next one. Kevin, I think we've soiled ourselves.
Yeah, we've definitely soiled ourselves.
I don't like this experiment. Let's listen to music again. Where's the music? We're listening together. This is fun. Wow. Would anyone be interested in buying an ear microphone, perhaps?